Alright guys, we're back at the shop at PFI. We slept last night, we had some breakfast. We got the first video coming out to you soon. You've probably seen that already. We're back here unloading stuff. I'm with the CRV. I got the radiator, the half-core radiator. I want to work on points where we need to mount it to see what's sitting inside of here to make sure we got the clearance we need for the turbo. So I want to work on half-core radiator. They're still working on stuff inside, so it's cool in there. Shane and some of those guys, Jamie's are here working. Early morning, busting stuff out. I already know noise going on, so it's gonna be awesome. Alright, outside, got the power washer, Shane, my brother, and then we got here, we finished fully disassembled the blocks when we power washed it, power washed the head, and the oil pan, get it all cleaned up, get it ready for final assembly. We cleaned up the rear main seal and the front crank seal. We got all those pump, all those gaskets done and cleaned up. So we're ready to get this all cleaned up, get all of the crap and sand out of it from driving here, and we can do the whole assembly inside. All right, we got Shane here. We got the block. We got it all power washed, cleaned up, crank removed, all that great stuff. We got a ball hone. I want to hit it again since it got a little rusty over the last month of it being out and disassembled after I did it the first time. So we're going to clean it up. We're going to get ready for assembly, get all that done.
Oh yeah, sweet.
Dude, that easy, huh?
That easy. Back and down, all that circuit stuff off. Where's my power going?
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Alright, so Shane has been gapping rings. He got one together right here. Our H-beam rods, forged pistons, gapping rings. And I'm just cleaning up the head right now, getting the head surface cleaned, getting things ready for assembly. So that's where we are right now. Okay, so we got the head lapped, both exhaust and intake. Now just clean up the parts, getting all the latching compound done. So get this head together. Shane's just about done with the rods and pistons. We're going to get ready to get this all assembled. Dude, I need one of these, man.
Yeah.
In my garage. Okay, Sean has some voodoo magic for us for putting
Alright.
these springs in. So we got the head clean, we got new valve stem seals, we got all this, the valve lapping done. Much time into that. Now we're ready to put the springs on them. None of the spring compressors worked, but he has this voodoo tool. So let's see how he does
Alright,
this.
so take your spring retainer clips, sorry, don't put them in your face. Pre-set them in there. Stick her on over. Pull out the voodoo punch. Done.
That easy. Dude, that is awesome. You approve. Sean approves. We approve of this action. We're making America great again.
Well, he said he wanted his car to start, so I heard talking
It is, you know, sometime. Yeah, it was only like 7. Yeah, it was only killing it.
I've been messing with time for a long time now.
Time for a long time. Getting your yellow space.
Yeah.
We'll get all this. Get more involved.
We're closer. One step closer. Well, it's 12 o'clock at night, and Shane wants to get home and sleep. or maybe I just want to go home and sleep. But here's the motor. We are there. We got fuel rail injector stuff set up. Minor details, it's still full of metal, so we got to clean that out tomorrow with the pressure washer. But everything's in. Shane rocked it today. He figured out the cam lashing, valve lashing. We had some issues with that.
The regrinds, because there was so much material taken off the other side.
Yeah, so note to self, if you're going to do regrinds, that is very possible. We're talking about the height on the lobes. This does not exist, this little lip anymore on the cams. They took it down so low. So everything's there. We got clutch, flywheel, changed the bearing already. Got the throttle body about ready to go. Most of the sensors on here. Oil lines ran. Here we got our block breathers in, some new stuff, new gaskets all the way around, rods and pistons. So this thing's gonna be ripping soon. So tomorrow, get the back stuff on, transmission mounted, get it back in the CRV, then we can do the turbo kit and get it all ready to rock and roll. It's gonna be good. Booyah, he says. Right, Adam?
Yeah, we're gonna get it good.
And so we put in some time today. Definitely a lot of effort to make it happen, but we made it happen. Thanks to all the guys here and their help. So it's been super cool to get this done.